Good morning, everyone. My name is Horace, and I'm from Technical Writing. My audience today are users on Facebook and Instagram, and today I'd like to illustrate a little bit about the comparisons between Facebook and Instagram on security issues. As we all know, Facebook and Instagram shares the two top users in the entire US. There are certain things in common, and what I picked today is security and privacy. So in this case, if you want to follow someone on either of the social media, you need to type their name in the searching button, like here on Facebook and here on Instagram. The reason why Instagram is more outstanding is people normally don't use their real name when doing registration. But for Facebook, in most of the cases, they have to use real names since it is basically a social network in the town. I mean, if you don't use your real name, it gets harder for someone else to find you, which indirectly lowers down the security and the privacy. For Instagram, it provides a unique field that you can talk and follow the friends you want to talk and follow, giving you more privacy without being exposed and disturbed by someone you are not familiar with. Generally, in this case, Instagram did a better job than Facebook. For future improvement, since we can change the type that is to use real name in Facebook, I suggest is that possible for the users to set privacy for themselves so that not everyone can find them online. There isn't a single person expect to see 1,000 people trying to follow you one day when you wake up, right? So if we can set up privacy, we can do following face to face, which guarantees the chances to be disturbed by strangers narrows down. So if you are a Facebook user, you might find this privacy setting up function useful for less disturbance. And that's all for my speech. Thanks for watching.